Hey, it's Tony talking car biz. Today we've got a brand new 2021 Toyota 4Runner SR5 Premium Edition. In this video we're going to walk around and check out the exterior, and then make sure you catch video number 2, the interior. Let's dive in, start up front and check it out. Okay, so this is the Barcelona Red, which is the classic red for Toyotas, and it may be discontinued, maybe going into the 2022 or 2023. They do have Supersonic Red now, which is a brighter red. Let me know what your thoughts on it. Do you want them to stick with Barcelona Red, or would you consider the Supersonic Red? Now let's start up front on this SR5 Premium. We do have a full complement of LED headlights and daytime running lights. We have automatic high beams on here. We also have fog lights down on the bottom. Now these are the upgraded high performance LED fog lights, and they've got this black bezel around here to protect them. Those are an extra charge. You do get fog lights but not LED, and so you are upgrading to LED. You spend a little bit more money. Now take a look at the front grille. The emblem, the Toyota emblem, this one has the optional black badge package. So if that didn't have that package, this would be chrome, but you're paying extra to get the blackout. Do get the chrome stripping even though this is blacked out. And then your lower grille is mesh finish with a matte black finish as well. And then behind this panel right here are the sensors for the dynamic radar cruise control, part of the safety sense package that's standard on 4Runner for 2021. As we swing around to the side, you'll discover that this one has the upgraded TRD wheels. So these are the 17-inch TRD wheels, which give you an offset balance, which means it makes it look like it has a wider wheelbase, just a little bit. I think it's 22 millimeters or something like that, but it does give it a wider wheelbase. These are a matte black aluminum with the TRD badging right there in the center, and then they're going to be a P265/70R17. So the 70 is the width of the sidewall, and this is going to be a little bit beefier, a little bit chunkier for going off-road. Going to give you a little bit more clearance as well. The wheel fenders on the SR Premium, they're painted color to match, so Barcelona Red. This one does have your floor mat, or I'm sorry, your mud guards, small ones in the front, longer ones in the back. And then down on the bottom, this does have the rocker rail here on the bottom. That's an extra charge as well, and that's designed to protect the lower portion of the 4Runner when you're going off-road. So that's going to protect right here against dents and dings and chips and that. And then they've got this plastic shroud over the top of the rockers as well, again to protect it. So this is an extra charge. This is standard, but it gives you all that extra protection you're looking when you go off-road, so you don't damage the rocker panels on your 4Runner. Now also this one does have color to match door handles, color to match mirror cap with LED turn signals in the chrome in the turn signals. These fold in, so when you're driving off-road, you can fold them in so that the trees hopefully don't damage them. They also break away in the event that somebody clips you with a bicycle or a grocery cart, minimizing the damage to your mirrors. This one does have electronic front window de-icer. You can see the lines down here, so it's going to help keep the windshield clear as well. Also, we have power sliding moonroof on this one. Power sliding moonroof is extra charge, $630. And then we do have the roof rail system, kind of a silver metallic painted finish, and that's going to be standard on the SR5 Premium. Here's a quick look at our window tag. Several options. Power moonroof, $630. There's a savings, keep it wild savings of $750. Rocker rails, $575. Blackout M1s, $160. All-weather floor mats, $269. The wheels, those wheels are $1,350 extra. $359 on a console safe. And then we have a quick charge package for $199, and then those LED fog lights, $169. Those high performance ones. The blackout badge package also includes the SR5 badge here. Tinted windows all the way across the back. There's your mud flaps. You can see they're a little bit longer in the back than they are in the front. Nice looking tail light package. Color to match, spoiler up top here. Black shark fin antenna. Third brake light, LED brake light right here. Washer wiper is tucked up underneath here, so it's out of sight, out of mind. Rear window defrost, tinted windows, and this is a power window. So this window automatic, you can push a button and it'll drop down by itself automatically or back up. Blacked out badging on the 4Runner and the Toyota badge, power door lock, and we have a backup camera right underneath the tailgate right there. Your step bumper actually does protrude out a little bit, so it's a great place to get your foot on there if you need to climb up and get up on the top. It's going to make it easy to do that. It's also quite wide. Open this tailgate. Got a nice place here if you need to sit down and change out your snow boots or your skis or what have you, or do a little tailgate party. Tailgate is not power operated. You got to use your pipes to get it up and down, actually to get it down. Here's your trailer towing setup. So you've got your receiver. Underneath here is where we're going to take a look at our full-size spare tire. Now that's not a TRD wheel, that's a steel wheel, but it is the same tire. So if you have problems off-road or towing, you're going to be just fine. Toyota does a nice job of hiding the wiring up underneath here. So there's your 7-pin for trailer towing, 4-pin for trailer towing. Here's a quick look up underneath at your suspension. Standard suspension, so no special shocks, no Bilstein shocks, no Fox shocks. This is the SR5 Premium. If you want that beefier suspension, you'll have to upgrade to TRD Pro or TRD Off-Road. So that's a quick overview of the exterior of the SR5 Premium for 2021 Barcelona Red. I'm going to go ahead and swing around front here, pop the hood, and we'll take a look at that engine. All right, diving under the hood, the 4Runner comes available with just one engine. This is the 4-liter V6 16-valve gasoline engine. This engine puts out 270 horsepower, and it's connected to a 5-speed automatic transmission, so generating 278 foot-pounds of torque. Plenty of power in this rig, and this is a super tried and true powertrain for sure. Combined fuel economy, city and highway, not great, 17 miles per gallon, but this is a workhorse, so it's going to be a really great, durable engine and transmission. 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty on 4Runner. We also have Toyota Care. If you haven't heard about it yet, it's a maintenance plan that Toyota covers all of the basic maintenance, so your oil changes, your fluid top-offs, even your tire rotations. Toyota's going to cover that for the first 2 years or 25,000 miles, whichever comes first. So a real great program. Recommended highly. It'll save you hundreds of dollars over the first couple years. The vehicle itself, it has a 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper-to-bumper warranty. No deductible on any of the warranties with the Toyota products. And if you choose to have it serviced at our service department, Smart Toyota in Madison, guess what? They're going to run it through the car wash for you too at no additional charge. Another $5, $6 value, but over the life of the car, it adds up and it buys you another Starbucks. Hey, if you like the video, please feel free to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or smart remarks, let me know in the comments and I'd be happy to help you with that. This is Tony at Talking Car Biz. In my next video, video number 2, we're going to dive inside this bad boy, take a look at the features you get on the Toyota 4Runner SR5 Premium Edition. Hey, thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.